Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to show you how to add a soundboard to Discord Mobile. So, let's dive in. First, it's important to note that you cannot upload a soundboard directly from the Discord app. Instead, we need to use a web browser. Open any web browser on your device and go to discord.com. You'll see a prompt to download Discord from Google Play, but what you actually want to do is tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Find and tap on Desktop Site to enable it. Then tap on Open Discord in your browser and log into your Discord account. Once you're logged in, you can go back to the mobile site by tapping the three dots again and disabling the Desktop Site option. Now, navigate to your server and tap on the downward pointing arrow button. Next, go to Server Settings. In the Server Settings, you'll see an option for Soundboard. Tap on Soundboard and then tap on Upload Sound. Choose the file you want to upload by tapping Browse. After the sound is uploaded, give it a name, select a relevant emoji, and choose the volume for your sound. Once you've set everything up, upload the sound, and it will be added to your soundboard. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.